Some things happened, so I can't even go one day without something happening. Okay, so we'll make a plan about that today, and then I'll come back and let you know what I did. Get up. I'm gonna get off my lap. Oh, oh, whoa. Oh, clumsy. Okay. Ow, ow. Those back claws, cat's back claws are deadly. Deadly. Kitty. Okay, time to go look at the garden on this nice cloudy day. How's everything in there? I didn't have it covered last night, and the next morning all this was laying flat on the dirt. So this is much better to have it under here. They don't look as good. Can't show them off as nice. Pull one out here. There's the basil. Hi, basil. You're right there in the middle of the peppers. I was not gonna have that many tomato plants. Gotta look at the strawberries really quick. No, I looked that up. Strawberries won't be ready for a couple of weeks, mid-June. Okay, they're well broken in. They could go into the ground or just sit there in their pots. Inside, outside. I don't know why I wear these pullovers when the weather changes by the hour here. The weather is like it's very warm inside and slightly chilly outside because of the clouds, but it's actually a pretty nice day. Right. Wait a minute, is the light on? Oh, the light's on. It's just, I keep doing that. Putting sunglasses on and then saying, why is it so dim in here? It's still a little dim, I think. These lights, they're good for one or two plants. This is just a little hardening off indoors so that they don't have to deal with too much breeze or too much cold or anything, but they're out of the tent. And I do try to keep them out of the tent permanently once I take them out. They might transfer some insects if I keep bringing them inside. I have done that, and I've done it successfully before, and I've also done it where I contaminated everything in the tent from bringing a plant inside. This will be today, and then tomorrow they'll spend the day on the table on the porch. And my son built this for me on Mother's Day. And I have to put the other parts of it together, and then it's going to go out front somewhere. That's what I'm doing. Before I leave here, I really want to finish putting little tags in. What is this one? That's what I'm trying to figure out. It's just the weirdest thing trying to figure out what they are. These labels could be totally wrong. Doing it by just eyeballing as a non-professional, eyeballing these seedlings and being like, looks like a brandy wine. Yeah. Oh, these black crims are really cool. This is the one that I know is a black crim, I believe. Yeah. I love the name. Like, they're gonna do just fine out here. Summertime and I'm living